Hey guys, if you're getting Windows 11 Pro, error code 0xC004C003, don't panic. This error usually appears when your product key is blocked, already used, or not valid for your edition. You will often see this error after reinstalling Windows or changing hardware, and it prevents activation. Kessa will fix this step by step, starting with the easiest solutions. First, make sure you're connected to the internet and temporarily disable any VPN or proxy. Press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and choose Run as Administrator. Type slmgr/atu and press Enter to force Windows to attempt activation again. Wait a few seconds and check if the activation completes successfully. If the error still appears and your license is linked to a Microsoft account, sign in with that account and select "This is the device I'm using right now" and confirm. If activation still fails, open Command Prompt as Administrator again, type slmgr/ipk, followed by your genuine Windows 11 Pro product key, then press Enter. After the key is installed, type slmgr/atto and press Enter again. Restart your computer and check the activation status. If you recently changed hardware like your motherboard or CPU, re-entering the product key is essential for reactivation. Also, make sure your system date and time are correct because wrong settings can block activation servers. If the error persists, contact Microsoft support to verify that your product key is valid and not blocked. In most cases, re-entering the product key fixes this error. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe for more Windows 11 fixes. I'll see you in the next one.